Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's go start accessing ChatGPT. Exploring the differences between the free and paid plans, and features like GPT-4, plugins, and custom GPT. When you sign up for the free version, you get access to ChatGPT 3.5, an incredibly powerful tool on its own. A clean, intuitive interface for questions, content generation, and problem solving. ChatGPT 3.5 works for brainstorming, learning, or simply chatting. But what if you want more power? That's where the paid plans. The ChatGPT Plus plan, which costs just $20 per month, opens up a whole new world. With GPT-4, you're getting access to the latest and greatest in AI technology. GPT-4 delivers speed, accuracy, and intelligence for advanced coding, research, and creative tasks. Notice the difference. GPT-4 excels at nuance, complexity, and creativity. Here's where it gets interesting. The paid plan unlocks GPT-4, plugins, and custom GPTs. Use plugins to access live information and connect ChatGPT to other services. You can essentially customize ChatGPT to do exactly what you need. It can handle shopping advice, fitness tracking, and even custom GPTs. This allows you to tweak how ChatGPT responds to your specific needs. You can define its tone, knowledge base, and even give it a personality. So, which plan is right for you? If you're a casual user, the free plan will do just fine. If you want the best GPT-4, plugins, and custom GPTs, ChatGPT Plus is worth it. The Plus plan offers quicker replies, priority access, and GPT-4. In the next video, we'll unlock the secrets of prompting ChatGPT. Stay connected, exciting things await. Thank you.